Dragon fruit has several nutrients, which helps people to stay fit and healthy. The taste of this fruit is delicately sweet but crunchy. The tropical climate conditions are perfect for dragon fruit farming. You can see the highest production of this fruit where less rainfall is expected. The temperature for dragon fruit cultivation must be between 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. You can grow this fruit in different types of soil, from sandy loam to clay loam. Growing dragon fruits is best done in loamy soil, with enough of organic materials. Soil pH of 5.5 to 7 is best for dragon fruit farming. You have to plow the field until the soil achieves its fine tilth and is weed-free. After that, you should apply any type of organic compost in a proportionate ratio. The most common dragon fruit propagation method is cuttings. You should use the 20 cm cuttings for planting in the field. It should be cut from the mother plant and left in the shade for 5 to 7 days before being planted in the field. The ideal planting distance is 2 meters between plants and 2 meters between rows. You can accommodate about 1,700 plants in 1 acre of land. To get the huge dragon fruit farming profit or proper plant growth, you should give support of concrete or wooden columns. You have to tie immature plants with these columns. To maintain the dragon shrub, you have to use a round metal frame. For the good growth and development of the dragon fruit plant, organic manure plays a crucial role. You have to treat each plant with a minimum of 10 to 15 kilograms of organic compost. After that, you have to increase the manure by 2 kilograms per year. Along with the organic, it also needs inorganic fertilizers to give good vegetative growth. This plant requires less water in comparison to others. So, you can irrigate it frequently during the planting, flowering, and fruit development stages, and hot or dry climate conditions. For effective water usage, you can use drip irrigation. This is the highest benefit in this farming, in that it has less pests or diseases. Therefore, it reduces the dragon fruit cultivation cost per acre. Dragon fruit starts appearing on the plants in the first year. But it blooms from July to October. From August to December month, it bears the fruits, and fruits are ready for harvesting after 1 month of flowering. When the fruits turn red, it is the best time for harvesting. The fruit's average weight is 350 grams. The dragon fruit tree produces fruit for 5 months out of the year. You can get 5 to 6 tons of production per acre. Dragon fruit varieties are divided into 3 categories. Hylocereus undatus, frequently seen pink-skinned fruit with white meat. Hylocereus costaricensis, the red-skinned fruit has crimson flesh. Hylocereus megalanthus, the fruit has a yellow exterior and white flesh.